Hello, this is a rather technical video for YouTubers out there who use their iPhone to record some videos. There will be some hard cuts inside and I will have to edit this video later. Therefore, it will come out probably a little later than the actual recording date. So what I'm doing here right now, and thanks to Kelly Fancher, we'll put his channel up here, who asked me to do the video, I found something out by chance. Not really by surprise, but more like, yeah, there was something. There's a massive difference on the low light abilities of your phone depending on your frame rate. For those of you technical guys out there, you will know that. But I think and I hope that some of you guys who are not so technically involved will find a benefit in here. I will also split this video. I will make a short on it because some people might not be willing to click through the chapters later. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Oliver. I run 4 KFC restaurants in Switzerland and I'm a volunteering fireman. I mean, that doesn't say nothing about my YouTube skills, but here's something I found out. This video now is recorded in 4K and 30 frames per second. So I will take a little walk, you see a little light, you see the blooming of the light, you see my skin color, blah blah blah. So this gives you a small impression of what this is if I'm using my iPhone. I am using the front-facing camera and it's I think 22:27, so 10:30 roughly in Switzerland. So I will make a quick stop now in that video. And now I will record the whole video in 60 frames per second. And as you see, the camera has some issues catching up enough light because of the timing. So with more frames per second, there needs to be more pictures taken. That means shorter time of light being able to reach the sensor. And yeah, you see already it's the same street, same passage, and that's a lot darker. If you think like, okay, lower frame rate, that's always a solution. Let me give you another example. 24 frames, 4K, another kind of footage, and you will have also an understanding of the low light abilities right now. So I'm just swapping around and cycling around the settings. Here we are at 30 frames in 4K. 60 frames and 4K on this one. I will also give a quick check again on the 1080, which I think I had in the beginning, but you will see that later in the final edit. This is 30 and 1080p and 60 frames per second on 1080. I hope I can cut that back together later in a proper way. So what is the conclusion? The 24 frames per second is not the best solution. It's actually the 30 frames. And my guess on this is, and also from Nasser Hasselman, that it has to do with the direct divide by 2, and the other one might be some electronical solution to calculate it on 24 frames. If you have a better idea on this, or if you have another opinion, hey, please leave it down in the comment section. That helps me and it helps you because you will get an answer from my side and I maybe can learn something. And the algorithm is happy to be fed. Therefore, try your settings to see what your camera is doing, and sometimes the expected best quality turns out to be not the best one at the end. I have a lot of videos on my channel where I recorded it like this in the morning, and in hindsight 30 frames per second would have been the better call. Would have looked a lot better, a lot brighter, and you could also see me talking. That would be wow. But that's what we have right now. This is something I learned, and yeah, I hope that helped for you. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to hear more tips and tricks around my YouTube endeavors, and there might be some valuable things for you as a beginner, but maybe even something surprising for a pro, please subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And I think that's all from my side for today. Finally, a to be edited video. So let's move forward from here. Thank you so much and see you next time.